Hello student, now I am going to explain you square roots, how you can find out the square roots. First of all, I am telling you how you denoted it. Suppose I am denoting 81 and the square root will denote in this way. And square root of 81 is 9. But how you will find out? I am going to explain that. So finding square root, there is a two method. First I am going to explain by prime factorization method. So how you will write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and this will be under the square root. So whenever you are taking out from the square root, we are taking it is in a pair. So 3 into 3, 1 pair, and 3 into 3, 1 pair, and write it as 1 when you are taking out of the square. So 3 into 3, it will give you 9. So square root of 81 is 9. One more example I am explaining you. Find out the square root of 324. How you will find out? Square root we will write in this way. Again, by prime factorization method, find out the prime factors. So write all the numbers whatever you are getting in prime factorization inside the square root and make pairs. I have made the pairs. For every pairs, write one number outside like this and multiply all. You will get the square root. 2 3 6 and 6 is 18. So we can say that square root of 324 is 18. Now I am going to explain you by another method how you can find out the square root. That is the long division method. Same example I am taking here, 324. This is a long division method. First of all, make pair from the back side. This is little bit typical for everyone, but try to understand it. I will explain in one or more example. So make pairs from the back side, and this is 3. So by which number we will divide 3? By 1. So right here 1 1s are 1, and here 2 will be the remainder, and in this side same number you will add it over here. So 1 plus 1, how much you will get? 2. Now bring down this 2 number. Always it will come in pair. Now by which number we will multiply, or you can say divide, so that we will get the 224. So you can see I am multiplying it by 8. 8 8 is 64, 8 is 16, and 224. So you can see that. So in this way you can find out the square root. Okay. Now one more example I am taking from the book. (784). We have to find out the square root of this. So write down 784. Two twos are 4. Add it here. Now try it by 8 because 8 8 is 64. 6 is in hand. 8 4 is 32, and add it. So here you will get 28. So this 28 is the square root of 784. So in this way you can do the exercise 3D and 3E. And thank you. If you hope you have